anong ima-must read mo na kung kumbaga sa kids, anong i-recommend mo na dapat mabasa nila bago sila maging adult or kahit pag adult na sila?
So, I'm presuming it's aside from the Bible.
Oh yeah, aside from the Bible. Of course, dapat Bible.
Oh, wow. That's a lot of tea. Can I have another,
Another cup.
oh. 7 Habits of Highly Effective People.
Yung original. Marami na kasing kasunod yun, di ba?
Yeah, just the original.
Yeah. What else? Meron pa?
Mm,
The Courage.
the Courage to be Disliked.
Mhm.
And maybe, what's the name of that? The Richest Man in Babylon.
Mhm.
And probably, what's the Darren Hardy book? A Compound Effect.
Oh yeah, the Compound Effect.
Those 4.
Those four. Ma-cover na nun yung concepts ng Who Moved My Cheese.
Sa Courage to be
sa
Disliked.
Courage.
Yeah.
7 Habits din, no?
Oh yeah. Actually.
Okay. Thank you.